Luke, I am your father. I can't believe how hot out here it is. It's 90 degrees, but there is a way to beat the heat. I've got it right here. This is the brand new Cordless SKIL 7-inch misting fan. Check this thing out. All in one unit. You've got your water, you've got your cordless battery, you've got your misting port. This thing is awesome. It's going to help you if you're camping, if you're out in your backyard, if you're at the beach, if you're RVing, anything outdoors that you need to stay cool for. This guy is a simple solution. Let's go check it out. So I've been watching SKIL for a while, seeing what they're doing with their tools, with their outdoor power equipment, and most of it has been really innovative. But this fan right here is the tipping point for me where I'm like, I better check out what these guys are doing and get one of those for myself. So let me tell you why. So first of all, they have a bunch of cordless tools. Now they have 3 battery sizes. They have a 12 volt, a 20 volt, and a 40 volt. We're only gonna talk about the 12 and 20 volt today because both of those voltage can run this fan. So here's the battery that's included with this fan. This is the 12 volt 2 amp hour battery. It's really cool. It's got a power meter right there, and it can be charged with a USB-C. Not only can you charge it with a USB-C, but you can charge USB-C devices with this battery. So it's called two-way charging. Really cool. It fits in there. You can see there's lots of space as well. So here's your mister right here. It's got 3 fan speeds and 2 misting speeds. The 2 misting speeds are on and burst. Really cool. Now there's 2 places to fill it. It's right here and over here, so you can fill it laying this way or up and down. It does have some weight once you have some water in there, but it's definitely not unmanageable. And of course, there's a little kickstand. So I've used this fan outside and I really love it. In fact, I even use it inside just as fan mode, not as misting. Really convenient and awesome. Now with the included 12 volt 2 amp hour battery, you're gonna get between 4 to 5 hours of runtime. Now, the thing that everyone's talking about is gonna be cost. This is amazing what they've done here. This is under $100, including the battery, the fan, and the charger. Really great deal, but I'm gonna shop around for you and see if I can find a better deal yet. I'll have a link to that right down there, right on the products button. Make sure you check that out so you can get yourself the best deal. All right, friends, I'd love to hear from you what you think of this cordless 7-inch misting fan. Leave a comment down below, and when you're done with that, guys, you don't have to go far because I've got a perfect video for you right there. Go check it out.